Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we have the third of three new things from Cup Noodles. These will only be in the beginning at Walmart. Hopefully they will end up elsewhere as well. This is Cup Noodles Stir Fry Sweet Chili. And the other two varieties were, there's a Korean barbecue and a teriyaki beef. So it's, what is it? It's a 4-minute spin at 1,000 watts and a minute to chill afterwards. You like that? Okay, add water to it. There we go. Set the magical microwave to 4 minutes. Alright, and there we go. So it's Tuesday. Just found out my wife's credit card got hacked. Happened to me last year. They like get a little something and then another little something, and then they go for something a little bit bigger and then bigger and bigger, and they just kind of test it out to see if they're going to get in trouble, I guess. I don't know. Frickin' jerks. Assholes. I guess it's the day and age we live in. Whoa, one moment. This is Miles's tablet, and it's too loud currently, so he brought it over to me to turn it down. Thank you very much, Miles. Here you go. He's a good kid. Him and his mom went over to his school and got to meet all his teachers for this year. It sounds like all of them are people that he's had as teachers or teachers' aides before, so that's rad. Next Monday, yeah, back to school for the young Sir Master Miles. Yeah. Sunny out. It was cloudy. It looked like the sky was gonna fall a little bit ago, but currently it does not. I better put 1 minute. So you do it for 4 minutes, and then you do 1 minute to let it kind of chill in the microwave. And yeah, sweet chili? Is that what it was? That sounds, it could be good, and it's vegetarian too. The other two are not showing a little vegetarian seal, so. Man, maybe it's because I cut a bunch of green onions, but all of a sudden I'm just like, achoo. Yeah. Everybody's had like a slightly runny nose lately. There's some kind of allergen in the air from some kind of something blowing around that's giving everybody allergies right now. But it's like mid-September. I always thought that was just in spring, but I guess there are late summer allergies too. So I worked out with my weights today, and usually I do my first 100 laps like really doing not much of anything extra. I think that's probably a good thing, because man, it beat the crap out of me today. But I'm alive. Yeah. And more light should be coming for the stroller light insanity. There will be a video of that. I'm quite proud of my zip tie prowess at this point. And when the lights get here, I'm gonna like grab that stroller and do that last bit. And I'm hoping maybe the sun will go away, but it won't rain, and we can go out for a walk tonight. And then on the way back, one more bit. Then on the way back, we'll have, what do you call it? It'll be dark, and then all the lights will be able to be seen. They're doing lawn maintenance of some kind outside. It is Tuesday. Lawn maintenance day. Here's one thing that drives me insane. So, have you ever seen the dudes in the hoodies with the leaf blowers? And it's a, like, insanely windy day, and they're blowing leaves. I actually got into an argument with a lady on a local Facebook group where I just posted, it's like, isn't it just irritating to see somebody wasting that much time? They're like, no, it puts food on the table and this and that. It's like, that's great, but isn't it kind of pointless? Aren't you like totally defeating the purpose of blowing leaves when you blow them into a pile and the wind blows them away? But it's a good job. No, you're not getting it. Needless to say, I did not win that one. It was just like, there was nothing that was getting in the way of, it's a good job. It puts food on the table. It's like, that's great. I'm glad it does that, but can't your old man do something else on the windy days? Can't the head guy go, yeah, actually, it's a windy day, so why don't you do this instead? There's stuff that can be done on a windy day other than blowing leaves that are already blowing everywhere. And they blow them. This is the thing. When I was a kid, I had to rake leaves. Well, not so much, but I've raked leaves. And then what do? Do you just leave them in a pile? No, you take the leaves and you put them in the bags, or you put them in the recycling, like the lawn waste, lawn clipping stuff. You don't just leave them in a pile. And what do these guys do? They just blow the leaves up against the side of the building. They go up and down our stairs out here, blowing leaves, and it's, or whatever. They don't pick anything up, they just move it. Like, come on. Sweet chili flavor. Stir fry style Asian noodles in sauce. And it has one pepper highlighted. Let's give it a try. It's good. It kind of makes me think of that dipping sauce that you have like at like that sweet chili Thai dipping sauce. For dipping. Spring onion. Put a little bit of sprouty sprout in here. Mung bean sprouts this time are long. Like really long. I'm not used to that. That was a joy. An absolute thrill to go to 99 Ranch Market for my mung bean sprouts on a Saturday. And they were good. What day was that? That was this Saturday. So today's Tuesday the 10th, Monday the 9th, Sunday the 8th, Saturday the 7th. The expiration date on that bag of mung bean sprouts is the 15th. If you are a connoisseur of fine mung bean sprouts like I, you'll understand my stokedness. Alright. Can you see that? Can you see it? No, not really. Now can you see it? Yeah, kinda. Alright. This would be good with like I mean, it wants meat. Dump some little bits of Chinese sausage or sausage. I don't know, this makes me think it needs pork. You want to be perfectly in the center. Alright. Let's see, can you see that? Oh, there's a bunch of extra in there. Lots of veg. The veg and everything came out really well. No complaints here. So, you know, when it really first came out, the whole, I know Nongshim had converted all their bowl noodles to microwavable and all that, and it was like, oh, microwaved noodles? Who wants that? But honestly, I've been pretty impressed with these, with what comes out of the microwave. It goes pretty well. Do some fried onion, maybe some sesame seeds. I think that'll call it a day. Fried onion on top. A little bit of sesame seed action. I think that's good. Oh, you know, hey, this is a good chance for this to come out if I can find it. Oh, it's sealed. I'll unseal it. This stuff's from Indonesia. It's called boncabe. Level 10. This stuff is really good. It's spicy. I mean, hey, it's Indonesian. Of course it's going to be spicy. If you're all hung up on like fire noodles and stuff like that, oh man, get any noodles and use some, what do you call it? Sambal, is it sambal mata? I think that might be it. That'll blow your freaking mind. You'll lose a goiter. If you have goiters, just go ahead and get some of that stuff and you will have a goiter no more, let me tell you. It's really spicy. Okay. Yeah, let me show you this stuff. It's called boncabe. It's like a nice little seasoning deal. The little bits are like fried, it's almost like tempura batter bits, but it's a little different. We'll put a little bit of that on top. That'll give it a little bit more heat, you know. Anyways, Alright, hey, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, you can find this at Walmart. Hopefully soon you'll find it elsewhere. So yeah, have a good one. Rock on.